What is going on, guys? Welcome back. So I just got in the aFe Power. Let me grab it here. It's the aFe Power Magnum Force Intake. Is that my phone ringing?
I think so.
Oh, I gotta grab that. Here, hurry up.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Do an unboxing.
So I guess I'll be Whoa!
So now that Evan got it unboxed, I'm going ahead and unscrewing everything. The first thing I unscrewed was this clamp here, just with your flathead screwdriver. And then you have 6 screws, 3 on each side. They're the T25 Torx. And after you get that out, you can pull this off just like that. Pull your filter out. Set them aside. Next, you're going to take the bottom, the base out. There's little plunges. There's one here and one in the back here. Oh, before you do that, take these out. These hoses here. Well, they're not hoses, they're wires. You leave this main hose in. So now that you have the main housing unit off, you're going to take these 3 bushings off because they need to go onto the new aFe unit. And then you grab your new one and go ahead and push those in. While I'm putting these bushings in, Evan's going to go and screw that other clamp on this for this pipe right here. So the last piece you're going to take out is this unit here. You want to be very careful. This is unscrewed already. Evan already did that. And there's a rubber grommet, another one back here. If we pull that out and turn this slowly, and as far as the sensor, I got this little screwdriver. The best way to do is put it in here. This side going in, push up, and come right out. Now we can pull this out and unscrew the sensor on the back. It's a T20 bit. Now if the screw's out, let's go ahead and pull the sensor out. So before you set this down anywhere, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in so it doesn't get banged around. So in the box, they do supply you with replacement Torx, same T20 bit. So now that we got the sensor on, the next thing we're gonna do is put the filter on. So to put the filter on, I recommend taking that ring off to get it in first, and then we'll put the clamp on. So you don't wanna tighten up too much. We tighten it up a little too much. Might have to take it off again. We need to slide this ring down because the back of the unit here has a little notch for this to slide in. So you need to line those up. Once it slides in, you grab the 2 other screws the kit comes with, hex-bit screws, and this is a size 4. Now with those screwed in, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this end in first. And then go ahead and push your rubber grommets back into place. So make sure you plug your sensor back in, you tighten down your clamp here. And then the last piece is it comes with this plug here, it goes right here. I think they put it there just for cleaning purposes, for dirt, build up debris. You can just clean it out right there, maybe blow it out. So now with the new intake in, these are just wobbling around and I don't like that. So I'm just gonna grab some zip ties and zip them together. In there, and I'll put another down here. All right, so let's take her on the road, hook her up to BimmerLink, and see how she performs. So we have BimmerLink running right now. If you'd like, you can go to aFe's website and they have a dyno result on a dyno jet. They say they get 30 horsepower gains with this intake and also 60 pounds of torque. So we have no way of confirming that here. We'd have to take it to the dyno. But right now, BimmerLink will give us boost pressure, air temp. What else is on there, Evan? I'm dry, I can't see. Anything else?
Air mass.
Air mass, okay.
Air mass per stroke.
So, and we'll compare that in the next video. We'll compare that to our stock and the Burger Tuning one, the side by side, so you guys can see between the 3 which one's the best.
So I saw it go over 30, the boost pressure.
What was it before?
I think it was 27. We would have to go back and look, but I'm pretty sure it was 27.
Let's do another run.
.30 psi for the boost pressure.
You got a close up on me? Alright, so we're gonna do we're gonna use Dragy to do a 0 to 60 run and see if there's any improvement on that, because we did run a 0 to 60 a couple days ago. And if you don't know what Dragy is, check out our video. What is it? Does Dragy work? We did a video. It tells you all about how Dragy works.
It'll be in this corner right here.
That's a Dragy unit right there. So I'm gonna pull over up here. It's a great device to have to measure your quarter mile, 0 to 60, 0 to 30, whatever you want to measure. All right, we're gonna do a few runs with the Dragy and get the best one. Oh, now I can hear her. She wasn't talking before. I had to unplug the charger. All right, so we have the performance report up here, and you'll see my 0 to 60 right in the middle. It says 5.4 seconds with a 12% slope, and that's that turquoise line going all the way across the grid there. You have your acceleration, that blue line. All right, so down at the bottom, 0 to 60, 1 foot, 5.18 seconds. That's what I would have got if I was at a track. And that's because of rollout. When you're at a track, it's a distance that's traveled in your car before the timing lights are triggered. The altitude up top, you have to take that in consideration, as well as the weather, your humidity, air temperature. All that plays a factor of your timing. What you run today could be different tomorrow. During the winter time, you're going to run better numbers than you do the summertime. Take that into consideration when you're looking at your numbers. You always want to find a smooth road, that turquoise line in the middle. You want to try to get as flat as you can. That's pretty flat. It says 12% grade, but it looks like it dips down and goes back up a little bit.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new.
I have to say it.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you're new.
We will see you in the next video.